Hello everyone, welcome to Susa Info. In this current situation, more than 200 countries in the world is suffering from COVID-19. Many countries are on lockdown due to coronavirus. Before this lockdown, people with busy schedule were not able to spend time with family, learn new things at home, or exercise to be fit are now free at home and can do everything they want. We are going to talk about how has people's life changed under coronavirus lockdown, who is appreciable and who's not. If you want to know about yourself, whether you are doing productive works at home under this lockdown or not, watch this video till the end. And if you want to know whether you are affected by coronavirus or not, then watch the video that we have mentioned in the description below. Now let's start today's topic. Things which you are doing under this lockdown is appropriate or not. I have categorized 3 types of people staying at home under this lockdown. Number 1 is people who are spending quality time with their family and taking this time to relax. Number 2, people sharing news awareness regarding corona and its effect. And number 3 is people who are being productive and utilizing this time to grow. So who is right and who is wrong? Everyone is right. The first category of people are spending much needed time with the family. We all need breaks and this is surely a forced break. Let's not judge them. The second category of people are keyboard warriors who are helping spread awareness about the virus and its effect, helping those in need and are showing compassion. The third category of people are working hard to gain new skill sets, working on projects that they have delayed and exploring their creativity. So, before we start judging others for what they are doing and not doing, remember that everyone has their own circumstances. Maybe they have 2 little kids at home so they can't be productive. Maybe they have crazy high ambitions and working makes them fulfilled. Or maybe they are so compassionate that they can't deal with all the pain and death around them. Whatever it is, it's circumstantial. Let's just do it our way. Not just how others are doing things, but let's make sure that whatever we are doing is keeping us rational. Right now, more than anything, it's about mental health. One thing to avoid is being too much on social media or consuming too much news that drains you. The thing to do is stay home but exercise. Let's not get divided and try to force our perspective on someone else. Everyone has right to do things in their own way. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching our video and comment down which category you belong. Stay safe, stay home.